Day 93 of sanding this wood block until it becomes a perfect sphere. For this month, I sand for 1 minute and 20 seconds every day. Moving forward, I think we've answered most of the big questions over the past few days. If there's still anything unclear, we've got time to figure it out before reaching the 100-day milestone. It's incredible how fast time flies when you stay consistent. Every day adds a little more shape, not just to the wood, but to the mindset behind it. Keep going. Slow progress is still progress.